Dun, 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 dun. Your name, please.
Bryn bin.
Specialist subject.
Recycling and RCT.
Your 60 seconds on recycling and RCT start now. How many community recycling centres are there in RCT?
6. Oh, hang on, wait a minute. 7. We opened Trio back in February.
How much energy is provided by recycling just one bleach bottle?
One bleach bottle produces enough energy to power one street light for 6.5 hours.
How much do recycling bags in RCT cost?
I'm glad you asked me that one. Absolutely nothing. And did you know they're available at over 180 locations?
What can't residents put in their food waste recycling bin?
I don't like those big clear recycling bags. Please fill me with the council issue green food waste bags only, as they are biodegradable. As a rule, if you eat it, then so will I. And I'm also partial to a bit of cake.
Why do we need to recycle?
We all need to do our bit for future generations to keep RCT clean and green for us all to enjoy. We also need to avoid those nasty landfill fines.
You've started, so you should finish.
Thank you. Recycling in RCT is free and easy. There's no excuse.
At the end of that round, Bryn Bin, you have scored 5 points. Do you have any final points for us, Bryn?
Oh, yes, please. Did you know that 6 used tea bags produce enough energy to power the kettle? Oh, I fancy a cuppa. I like tea bags too.